Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you fix YouTube playback speed not working problem. Okay, let's start the video. First, long press YouTube profile icon and click on F info. Now click on storage and cache option. Now clear cache or clear storage. Now click back option. Click on Play Store and update your YouTube app. Then click on Open. Now select any video and click on Video Settings option. Click on Playback Speed and finally 2.0 selected. I hope solved your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much, viewers.